sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary. God, prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary as you.
And as we remain in consciousness, I sense a flow of spirit in this room, in this community, and on this planet. I sense a flow of spirit, and it is right here, right now, today with us, right here in this room as we prepare and we practice our consciousness of oneness with spirit within. It is the consciousness of oneness that we focus on this morning as we prepare to hear a beautiful talk by our beloved Reverend Laura. We're so excited about today. We're so excited about the season of giving, the season of generosity, the season of loving kindness, and the season that we are preparing to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. And it's with a heart full of love and loving kindness that I speak my word this morning, preparing to hear Reverend Laura, and I simply say, and so it is.
God, prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary as you. A sanctuary as you. A sanctuary.